look at our large curved L pocket. Now this is a 4 3/4 by 5 3/4 size. It's designed to go on the left side, but of course you can put it on the right side as well. The reason why I say it's designed to go on the left side is because I put a larger vertical line right here versus up here. So this is your long side, this is your 5 3/4, this is your 4 3/4, depending upon what type of book or layout that you're putting it on. Of course you can put it like that too, it's just an elongated pocket. But let's take a look at the die. It's 2 pieces. You do need to dismantle it. This becomes your layering piece, as you can see, the turquoise, and then you've got score lines to fold all of your pieces down. So these get folded down, and then you're going to adhere your glue onto each of these 4 sides and put it down so it creates that pocket for you to put anything in. All right, you enjoy.